Teflon extension rings create a thin, chemically resistant spacer that raises a toilet flange so the flange sits flush with or above the finished floor. Teflon is a low-friction, inert polymer that resists water and most household chemicals. So, using rings made of this material prevents degradation and helps maintain a stable seal over time. Measure the vertical gap from the finished floor to the top of the existing flange, then select rings whose combined thickness matches or slightly exceeds that gap so the flange bears down on the flange bolts and closet bolts without rock. Clean and dry the flange surface and gasket contact area. Then stack rings concentrically, aligning bolt holes and any locating features so the toilet bolts remain vertical. Use stainless steel screws through the ring layers into the original flange at evenly spaced points to prevent rotation and to transfer shear loads. But do not overdrive screws or distort the rings. Stop when snug and the stack is firmly seated. Reinstall the wax or rubber gasket and check that the gasket is compressed uniformly around the outlet by lowering the toilet straight down without lateral movement. Finally, test for leaks by running water in small flushes and inspect the base for seepage, then retighten any screws if minor settling occurs. Common problems include misalignment of bolt holes when stacking rings, which can tilt the toilet. Correct this by dry fitting and marking each layer before final fastening so bolt patterns remain concentric. Another issue is insufficient compression of the gasket, which causes slow leaks. Fix it by ensuring the combined ring thickness lets the toilet flange clamp the gasket under even compression and by centering the bowl carefully during installation. A third concern is using incompatible fasteners that corrode or cut the Teflon. Resolve it by choosing stainless steel screws of the appropriate length that do not protrude into waste passageways and by avoiding oversized heads that lift or deform ring layers. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide resources about flange elevation and sealing methods. Our site also hosts an active discussion community so we can share real job photos, installer tips, and experiences that help both homeowners and contractors find work and solve practical problems.